Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel where finally I have taken delivery of a brand new replacement. Samsung S95B OLED. Now if you don't follow the channel, a few months ago I took delivery of one of these TVs, but after a few weeks it did develop a fault, which means it had to go back. But also on opening up the box, we discovered that the panel was actually bent. So in this video, what we're going to do is unbox this brand new 65-inch S95B and see if this one is bent too. Now, after I showed that video of the panel being bent, I thought it was just going to be a one-off, but loads of people came forward saying theirs was exactly the same. And on a recent trip to Mallorca, me and my son looked at one in store and that was also bent. So it is going to be interesting to see what this one's going to be like. Right, so I've got my son helping me out tonight, and as you can see, this box is all brand new and sealed. Got the straps on it, so however it comes out of the box is how it left the factory. So I've got my Predator knife there. Let's get this thing open. Right, let's take out all the accessories. There you go, as you can see, all brand new stuff. Ooh, I'm getting excited about this. It's been so long, it's got to be about 3 months. Take out the polystyrene. And there you go, if you come a little bit closer, you can see the panel just there. But let's lift the lid and take a proper look. All right, let's lift this off then. Right, here we go. The moment of truth. Right, well, I am absolutely shocked at the state of this TV. Now, to be fair, the actual panel, when you look down here, if I just cover up this end, doesn't look too bad. But when we come to this end, oh my God, what is going on here? This is proper bent. Look at the state of that. Now, it's a little bit hard to film, but it is proper bent in. Look at the state on that. If I go around this side, it is, my God. Now just coming around the back side of the TV, and I don't know how well it's going to come across, but the back looks like it's actually coming apart from the edging and the front. So yeah, not very good at all. And again, from this angle, you can see that again very clearly there, where it is coming apart. Now, putting aside that bend just on that corner, if we actually look down the panel itself, it has got a very slight curve, hasn't it, mate? Yeah. And it sort of curves outwards there. So in the middle, it's got a bend coming sort of this direction, if that makes sense. I don't know how well that's coming across on camera. But yeah, slightly bent. Definitely better than the last one though, isn't it? I mean, I could probably put up with that if it wasn't for that terrible corner. So, as you can imagine, I am absolutely gutted. Can't believe that I've got a second one that is like this. So, yeah, I'm not even going to bother even turning it on. I'm going to see if I can get it sent back and get another replacement. Now, do us a favour, if you appreciate my honesty in this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, because hopefully I'll be taking delivery of a third one, and again, it'll be interesting to see what that's like. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.